I gotta.
Move it, move it.
Mans has a knot.
Thanks for not killing him right away so I can get off the fucking M4 on the first round. Do they not know that they have to like back up on the toilet?
Bomb has been planted.
Domination.
I got this car, guys. If I get this one, I'm gonna win.
Grab your gear, let's go.
I like it when you win, Captain Crunch.
I win. You hear it? I win. I win. You know it. Hey, you have to do it if you'll make fun of it.
Jesus Christ.
Woo!
How bad can you be with the P90?
Yes.
Never mind, guys. I got the scar, so I won. I'm out. See ya. Deuces.
Bye.
Move it, move it. I need...
Safe.
Terrorists win. Let's do this thing, come on.
I'm like that. P90, dude.
I'm setting the bomb.
My life happens.
Bomb has been planted. Bomb has been defused. Counter-terrorists win.
No one even looked at the fucking bomb.
Let's go, let's go.
Try to fast fight again, so you better fucking protect
don't worry,
me and
this
the bomb.
time I will make sure.
Planting. Bomb has been planted.
Alright.
There you
Put a
go.
plant fast
better?
again behind the door. You don't have to be down there. Just take the roof control. That's all you have to fucking do.
Exactly.
I'm gonna blow the safe.
Mark it.
Bomb has been planted. Terrorists win.
Have the bomb.
No.
Please. Bomb.
No.
What is bomb?
Go, go.
Don't plant in the safe behind.
Or it's not inside the safe.
Nice shot. Counter-terrorists win.
Total domination.
You never plant in the safe. You plant behind the door.
Yeah,
Come on,
idiots.
let's
There
go.
are two that are pushing the site, so just do a delayed plant.
I'm planting the bomb.
Last one's in CT.
Bomb has been planted. Terrorists win. And that was that.
Good game. Yo, Rage.